Happy New Year! Here's my take on how to make 2018 your best year ever. So first of all, take a look at 2017. What worked? What didn't work? And what can you improve on? You might want to add a few things to your bag of tricks. Maybe try video. Maybe try AdWords. Maybe try Facebook marketing. There's all kinds of things that you probably haven't tried yet that just might make a difference in 2018. So you want to keep your balance. You want to keep a balance between family, your relationships, your business needs to work, and probably a good idea for your mind and body to work together as well. One of those gets out of balance, it's going to affect all the rest of them. So here's to a happy and healthy 2018. Keep your balance, try some new ideas, and have a great 2018.